Alright folks, so I did a video yesterday from this corner when the storm was just starting to hit, and now we have almost 2 feet of snow. As you can see, the snow everywhere. And there's not a lot of people out, but everything is deserted. There's a lot of plows out though. They're working very hard to clear the snow from the roads. They're very slippery. It's still snowing. And as you can see, some of how they are. I was around this corner yesterday, and yeah, you can't even walk through the sidewalks because they're impassable. So about 22 inches in Logan, 26 in Melrose, which is just north of us. So we're in between those totals right now. 22, 26. We have drifts that are over 36 inches high. So it is absolutely amazing. Right now is the top 6 snowstorm officially in Boston and Logan. But it's still snowing. We have a couple more hours, so we might get a couple more inches out of it. And if we do, we might be out the top. We might have the top 5 after that. So it is still windy. Snow's still blowing. It's not as windy as it was last night when winds were gusting over to tropical storm and hurricane. Let me move here. So you can see they're working very, very hard to clear. They're just going around constantly and trying to clear all the snow. And not only this main road, this is Broadway in Everett, which is very, very busy at all times of the day, but also the side roads are getting worked on a lot. So yeah, this is the latest here from Everett, just north of Boston, reporting about this blizzard 2013.